Hello guys, welcome to Go Tech. I want to thank you guys for making it to reach 100 subscribers. I really thank you guys. So that's why I want to release an amazing video today. So one of the biggest video I've ever released in this channel. I will probably be doing giveaway, my first giveaway in this channel. I'll be giving out a free email marketing software for you to join the giveaway. So you have 3 things to do. So what to do is that you are going to join this community. For you to join this community, is that you are going to subscribe, comment, and like this video. So without further ado, let's move straight to the video. Before we start talking about websites where you can learn digital marketing, first of all, you have to know what is digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. Using these online media channels, digital marketing is a method by which companies endorse goods, services, and brands. Consumers heavily rely on these channels to research products. For example, two critical marketing insights found that 48% of consumers start their inquiries on search engines, while 33% look to brand websites, and 26% search within mobile application. Why modern day digital marketing is various systems of channels to reach marketers simply most of all their brands. Advertising online is much more complex than the channel alone. In order to achieve the true potential of digital marketing, marketers have to dig deep in today's fast and intrusive cross-channel world to discover the strategies that make an impact through engagement marketing. That is why in today's video, we are going to learn about the website where you can learn digital marketing for free. It's true that you may have the products you can sell online, but when you don't know the right principles on how you can advertise your product, it becomes a problem. There are some skills under digital marketing. One of them is email marketing, social media marketing, analytics, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, etc. So in this video, where you are going to learn all this website that you are going to learn, most of them is going to teach you about these skills. This website on the list is simpilearn. simpilearn is one of the best websites I will recommend any beginner on digital marketing to start, because that's why I put it first. This website breaks everything down for you. The best thing about this is that they use professionals about all this thing, about each of the courses in every courses they offer. They have a YouTube channel, or mostly this is their website, and they have an app where you can learn anytime you want. You can see they not only teach digital marketing, they teach other courses like business analytics with Excel, data science with Python, introduction to data analytics. Okay, if you come to digital marketing, you can see this is digital marketing 101, where we talked about digital marketing in general. And after that, they started talking about specialty in digital marketing, that is advanced search engine optimization, SEO, advanced social media program, advanced content marketing, YouTube and video marketing, etc. pay-per-click. So from that, we are going to go for the second website, which is SKILLSHare. So SKILLSHare is another wonderful website which I will also recommend a beginner to start with. But the one thing why I would recommend simpilearn ahead of this one is that simpilearn is actually very free, 100% free. But this one is after the first month you will be able to start paying. You can see here you will start paying start December 2021, but actually here there are professionals that teach you. I would even recommend you to enroll in this one, but if you didn't have money to start up, you can use simpilearn to start. When you have money, you can advance to this. You can also learn designing here. Can start learn designing and other things. I'll leave the links in the description, so don't worry. So the next website is Udemy. Udemy now, you can see here, people might be asking, maybe Udemy is a paid, is where they sell courses, but actually you can also get a free courses here. You can see these ones are paid. But what you are going to do so that you can get the free courses here is that you come down to this place, click on filter, look for price, click on price, look for free. So my one is already on free now. So now let's check the free courses. Now if you look at this VCC, this one is free. That is why you will not see any amount here. You see the rating 4.3, 4.4, and you see that it is 5,329 students have enrolled in this. 4.2 rating, 4,395 students has actually enrolled on this. So guys, you have to take advantage of this. What the best of this is that after studying this, they're going to give you a certificate. So the next is of California. So in this one is good. In this one you have to choose your citizenship and everything, and this one is free but not actually very free like that. So look at this one, digital marketing rapidly evolves. So look at, you're going to collect with UC 3 months accelerated certificate. You get a comprehensive examination of tactics and strategy across social media, mobile marketing, online analytics, search engine marketing, aimed at achieving business goals such as acquiring, converting and retaining online customers. So that is what you are going to get, but it's not actually free like that. You can get 2 months free, but when you want to get your certificate you have to pay, guys. So but no problem, you can still enroll, because look at the name University of California. You know what it means after enrolling and you have the certificates, you know. But if you don't have money to start up, you can use that simpilearn, or you can use Udemy. Okay, let's go to the next site, which is edX, the marketing course for free. Here you can see what you study here is introduction to marketing, digital marketing strategy, fundamental digital marketing fundamentals, marketing in digital world, digital branding, etc. You can see this is a modern courses that you can use to scale up in this 2021. Now we are moving. So now let's go to the next website, which is Google Digital Garage. This website is owned by Google. You know what it means when you have Google certificate. So this one, you can see the first one is fundamentals of digital marketing, which is 40 hours, get a business online, make sure customers find you, etc. So after studying this module, which is 26 for 40 hours, you will be able to write it. You can see on top includes your certification. So after doing it, you are going to get your certificate, and you can post it in your LinkedIn profile for your work to promote your. You can post it in your LinkedIn profile. So, and it is recognized worldwide. You can use it to get job on Fiverr, etc. Because most of all these things, you have an intensive video that is going to teach you everything you have to know. So when you take your time to study this, you actually are going to get what? You are going to get certificate which will be recognized. You can use it to apply job in anywhere. So now let's go to the next website. The next website is still going to be Google. It's going to be Google, but this time around, this one is SKILLSHOP by Google. SKILLSHOP. You see the first one. Learn how to use Google products, find free online products. They'll teach you how to run ads. Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, Google Ad Manager, Google Ad Mob, Authorized Buyers, etc. ways. So that is what you are going to learn, and it's going to include certificates. After learning and and you take the quiz and you pass the quiz, I think it's 50% or something else, and something like that. If after writing the quiz, you will be able to, you will be certified. Okay, let's go to the next site, which is Free+Certificate. So Free+Certificate is actually an agency based on UK, but they actually teach digital marketing. So you can see this one gets a free ongoing access and a free digital certificate. So you can enroll here and upgrade your skills on digital marketing. So the next site we are going to be talking about is ClickMinded. So ClickMinded is another agency, but this time around they are talking about, as in they teach digital marketing. It is free, but not that kind of free. I think it's in 2 months free trial or a month free trial. So what they're going to SEO training to 10 times your traffic from Google. Okay, now enroll now. Heads up. Look at the company employees that is working with them. Okay. Now you can mostly this one is based on what? SEO, which is a specialty in digital marketing. So the last one on the last website on the list is HUBSPOT. So HUBSPOT is a website that they talk about, they provide a digital skill, digital tools, and actually they also teach digital marketing. Because it's on delivering exceptional customer support, 45 minutes short course, building a website in CMS Hub Starter, 6 minutes, LinkedIn marketing for business, Service Hub, and setting up on. You can see all these things are short minutes. Okay, this one is 2 hours, and you can do each of them and get certificate. You can see digital marketing is just 9 lessons, 4 hours, and when after doing this thing, you can get your certificate and use it and work anywhere. Guys, if you are still with me to this time around, please make sure you give me like in this video. It's not easy to gather this website to make sure that so please, if you have not joined our community, make sure you join. Remember, I said I'll be doing giveaway in this video, so I'll be doing giveaway about free email marketing software. I'll be giving out free email marketing software to 10 subscribers. So for you to join that the giveaway is the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to subscribe. That's the first thing. Second thing, you're going to comment and you're going to like this video. When you do those 3 things, in my next video, I'm going to call results about people that won the giveaway. So remember, I'm going to give away to 10 persons email free marketing. So for you to join the giveaway, you have to subscribe. 1. The second one is that you're going to leave like in this video, and the third one is you're going to comment down below. Maybe you can comment thank you for the video and all this things. Just try to comment down so that you can join the giveaway. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.